What is the color of grass? Option A, blue. Option B, green. Option C, red. Answer, green. What animal hops and has a pouch? Option A, dog. Option B, kangaroo. Option C, cat. Answer, kangaroo. What is the opposite of up? Option A, down. Option B, left. Option C, right. Answer, down. Which is a vegetable? Option A, banana. Option B, carrot. Option C, apple. Answer, carrot. How many legs do birds have? Option A, 2. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Answer, 2. What is the color of the ocean? Option A, pink. Option B, blue. Option C, yellow. Answer, blue. What do you wear on your head? Option A, shoes. Option B, hat. Option C, gloves. Answer, hat. What animal has stripes? Option A, giraffe. Option B, zebra. Option C, elephant. Answer, zebra. What do you call a baby cat? Option A, kitten. Option B, puppy. Option C, cub. Answer, kitten. What do you use to write? Option A, spoon. Option B, pencil. Option C, brush. Answer, pencil.